In tonight's Health Connections, we're talking with an expert on hearing. Joining us now is Richard Green, owner of Summit Hearing. Richard, thanks so much for being with us today.
Thank you for having me.
Well, I remember getting hearing tests done in elementary school, but I can't tell you the last time I got my hearing tested. When should people be getting their hearing tested?
You know, anything with healthcare, really, the sooner the better. Earlier detection usually is a key to success in anything to do with our health. So anytime someone is noticing maybe some hearing issues, it'd be a good time to get a consultation. How do you know when that is? Hearing loss is one of those things that gradually happens. Unless it's some sort of traumatic event, it's not going to be sudden. Those folks usually will do something about the hearing right away. So if you're losing your hearing gradually, you look for symptoms like, is the TV getting a little louder? Maybe your circle of friends or your loved ones have mentioned something, or you may even feel that people aren't articulating, enunciating like they once did. And so those would be some small telltale signs to go ahead and schedule a hearing evaluation.
Okay, and what does a hearing evaluation involve? What is that, a painful process? What is it?
It's not painful at all. As a matter of fact, usually if someone calls to get a consultation, that is usually at our office at no charge. What it involves is setting up an interview with the patient to get through their medical history, see if there's any ototoxic medications that they've been taking. We're usually the first stop on a person's journey to better hearing. They know they have an issue when they come through our door, and they're just looking to get some advice on what they should do about it. A complete audiometric evaluation would be an otoscope investigation of the outer ear, taking a look at the eardrum, doing a pure tone threshold. That's where you push the button or raise your hand when you hear those different frequencies. You remember that? And usually we'll get a shape or a prescription of someone's hearing, and we'll be able to sometimes tell if there's any medical conditions that should be looked after.
Perfect. So where are you located, or how can people find you?
We are at 1817 North Union Boulevard. That's between Palmer Park and Constitution, in front of Rampart Supply. And it's Suite C.
Okay, perfect. Well, thank you so much, Richard, for joining us tonight. If you want more information about Summit Hearing, you can log onto our website and click on the Best Bets tab, which can be found at the top of the page, and choose the Health Connections section. You can also call 594-2094.